Hi, I'm Whitney. I'm the interior designer on the Sask Crescent renovation and addition. We've been working on this project for almost a year, and it has some unique challenges to the design, working with the existing finishes of wood and copper and trying to integrate that into finishes that are on the market today and accessible and desirable in the new home. Working with the copper that's in the home, it's not how copper looks on new fixtures today. So we're having to customize some of that and also just use it as an accent. And then with the wood ceiling in the home, we're debating refinishing it, staining it, trying to figure out how to bring that in and maybe rejuvenate it and bring in another wood color. We're in the process of designing the cabinets, and once those are complete, we'll integrate all the finishes and make sure that everything balances and it feels light and modern, but also honoring the mid-century modern that exists in the home.